a lot of great research lately into alternative energy sources. But one energy source that might be even more awesome than solar and nuclear energy is black hole energy. And one mathematician suggests that we might be able to find extraterrestrials by looking for spacecraft that are powered by tiny artificial black holes. As reported by Universe Today, this idea comes from a pair of papers published by researchers at Kansas State University. In 2009, a mathematician named Lewis Crane co-authored a paper about the possibility of black hole spacecraft. Basically, the paper outlined the possibility of using Hawking radiation from an artificial black hole to power a spacecraft and concluded it was at the edge of possibility, assuming they could get past the effects of quantum gravity, which are currently unknown. Here's how Dr. Crane explained it in an email to Universe Today. Quote, "An advanced civilization would want to harness a microscopic black hole because it could throw in matter and get out energy. It would be the ultimate energy source. In particular, it could propel a starship large enough to be shielded to relativistic velocities. None of the starship concepts NASA studied turned out to be viable. It might be the only possibility," unquote. To produce an artificial black hole, you'd have to focus a billion-ton gamma-ray laser to nuclear dimensions. So the sheer scale is straight up beyond the current world economy. A civilization would have to utilize an entire solar system to have the resources for this, meaning it would have to be a Type 2 civilization on the Kardashev scale. And that's just one of a bunch of technical challenges that are beyond what humanity could do right now, including the sheer amount of power it would take to start up that gamma-ray laser and where that energy would be stored. But in February 2019, Dr. Crane published a new paper that says we can use gamma telescopes to find evidence of spacecraft that run on tiny black hole fuel. We could use space-based telescopes like the Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope and ground-based facilities like Veritas and the high-energy stereoscopic system to figure out if gamma ray sources could be artificial, up to 1,000 light years away. It's an exciting idea, but space is big, so try to be patient. This could take a while.
I just have one question about these spacecraft powered by tiny black holes. Can they do the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs?
I don't know.
Did I just break your brain?
You did just break my brain.